The next example is identifying an outlier. So when you see outlier, it's the value that is substantially different. So what is an outlier for this data set? 56, 65, 73, 59, 98, 65, and 59. So to solve for the value that is substantially different or the outlier, you have to arrange the data in ascending order from smallest going to the biggest value. So I'm gonna arrange this data. That is going to be 56, and then I have 259, and then 65, 65, next is 73, and then 98. Okay, that's the ascending order of the sets of data. And the next is to get the difference of each as adjacent scores. So 59 minus 56 is 3. 59 minus 59 is 0. 65 minus 59 is 6. 65 minus 65 is 0. 73 minus 65, that is 8. And then 98 minus 73, it's 25. Technically, 98 appears to be the substantially different. Therefore, 98 is the outlier. So this is letter C. Okay? So answer practice exercises number 2.